Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis. If y'all new here, welcome. If y'all old here, hey y'all, how y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is just gonna be me doing my hair. Y'all, this wig was a hot mess. I had to wash it. Like I washed it with some don't talk about me. I washed it with some Dr. Bronner's because it was just a lot going on. I used the peppermint soap and then I used some, I think like Pantene. I think that's what it was. The Pantene shampoo, and then some conditioner or whatever. But it had to be washed really well. So yeah, I washed it or whatever, and I let it air dry. And yeah, so that's what y'all gonna see. Like in the next clips, y'all gonna just see me working it out, putting it on my head, and actually like getting the part together because y'all, it was a hot mess. I mean, like it wasn't the middle part at first, but that joint went bald. It went bald for me, like washing it, all types of crazy. And sorry, I'm like leaning this way, whatever. I'm standing up and I'm just leaning on my dresser. But it had went bald or whatever, so I had to like, figure it out. And one thing about it, I'm not about to just throw no wig in the trash. Like I'm trying to make it work. And as you can tell, your girl did, you know what I'm saying? Your girl still got it or whatever. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you on the next clip.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. I don't wanna slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. I don't wanna work. Let me right about talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body thinks that you do know, but I'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
I just gotta fix this part. Let me tell y'all something. One thing about it, your girl still got it. Don't mind my closet, y'all. I have a lot of purses and the door won't close. Don't play with your girl. I still gotta fix this, y'all. This is all lace. That's not even my hair. That's lace, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna figure it out. You know me, I cannot have no straight. I cannot have no straight part. It has to be curved. So that's why I had to do all that extra stuff to it.
How you think I feel?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. I don't wanna slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. I don't wanna work. Let you right about talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I want you to know, but never fall out of love with you. You.
One thing about it, don't waste your money trying to go buy y'all some new hair because it's a little messed up. Put some makeup on that and thug it out. You know what I'm saying? Everybody will wear a wig, got makeup in their hair, got in their wig. So don't even be ashamed, child, because I ain't. Throw a little makeup in there. And you be straight.
Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to where it feels so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Yo, my phone stopped recording. I don't know where it stopped at, but we just gonna keep on rolling. I had to delete some stuff. But I was saying, I think I'm gonna just, this looks so terrible. But I think I'm gonna leave it like that and probably just pluck it some so it can like just, I don't know. Y'all finna just stick right here with me. We're gonna figure it out.
What you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
Alright, y'all, I think it look a little bit better. I took it off. Y'all can't keep seeing me in these meeks, so I had to just do that off camera. But I took it off and I put some of I gotta watch this later. But I took some of the black. I took some of the black and I put it in there. So yeah, so I took some of that makeup and I put it inside of there. It looks a lot better because I like to wear my hair like how it is. Like I wear my side parts kind of like, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Yo, I had ran out of storage, but let me get the front one more time. Yo, this thing that's just don't get hot enough for me. Like, I need the old fashioned one. And I have it on high. I got it on number 2. It's just... not working. Okay. So... I think I'm gonna just flat iron her first. But while I flat iron this, I'm probably gonna finish watching my show, so I'm probably just speed this up from here. I'm gonna do the edges last because I don't know. I'm gonna just do them last, and they gotta go. They gotta work itself out for real, for real. Like even though it don't look bad, I feel like I don't like how the hairline is just going straight across, but my edges have camouflaged, and because of the side part, I don't really think it's going to too much matter for scrunchy hair ties. Child, I done did this all types of a mess, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, y'all, this closet is really bothering me. Hold on. Get you.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world. You
right, y'all, so I finished my hair. I'm sorry, I had to finish it off camera because I record on my phone. I was on the phone with my aunt. Like, if y'all know, I love my aunt. So we was just chopping it up or whatever for a minute. But this is my hair. I'm gonna just leave it straight in for now. I'll probably curl it later in the week, because y'all, it's been raining like heavy, like, you know, since the little hurricane or whatever. So yeah, but this is how my hair came out. I think I'm gonna probably go back in and make my lace maybe like a little lighter. I don't know, but as y'all can see, it's like a little burgundy, but not really. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna get me a new closure and probably buy like 2 bundles and then just make me another wig over again or whatever. But I love the way it came out, y'all. Compared to how it looked before before I did this, I took a picture of it on my head, but I look hella crazy. But I might still like show y'all the before and after, like compared to, I'm gonna slide over this because I put it right here, but compared to how it looked before versus now, it looks 100 times better. Like, it looked 100 times better. So yeah, I like the way it came out. It looks cute. Let me know if y'all want to see, like, you know, some more hair videos. I really don't change my hair. Well, I do change my hair often or whatever, but I haven't really been into doing my hair for real, but I'm trying to get back into it because, yeah, it makes me feel good. It makes me happy. I think I just look real cute. So, yeah. But I love the way it came out. So, yeah. Oh, y'all, this here is, this is Foxy Black bundles in a 5x5 closure. I think she do online orders, but y'all in Philly, she does, you can pick it up from her shop or whatever. And I think she has a location in Delaware, whatever. But yeah, this is it. I think I do like a lot of bundles, so I think it's like 3.5 or 4 bundles, because I got a big head and I like my hair to be real full because I got a big face. So I think it's like 3.5 or 4 bundles and then a 5x5 closure. And then I'm gonna let y'all see the back. Hold on. Excuse me. This is the bag. I don't know how it look, so don't talk about me if you can see my tracks, okay? Because I can't tell. But yeah, and then this is like the bottom. It needs to be trimmed. Like I said, y'all, I just do this on because I was tired of wearing my my bob, and I didn't want to wear my curly hair no more. And I like to wear curls in the fall, like when the weather breaks. I like to wear curls a lot. So yeah, let me know if y'all want to see more hair videos from me, because I love doing my hair. I haven't been doing it for because of my job, but I will get back into doing my hair for you guys. So let me know if y'all like this video, and what else y'all want me to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to y'all girls in the comments, y'all. Talk to me in the comments, because I be replying, okay? Stay safe out in these streets, y'all, because there's a lot going on in this world. And make sure y'all stay prayed up. Always put God first. And I will see y'all in my next video.